Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable unlocking your iPhone with Face ID. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the Face ID and the passcode. Now you need to type your passcode, if you have one, and then go with those settings. But I guess you have one if you have the Face ID. So, after setting up a Face ID and how to do it, we have another video on our channel about that. So be pleased to search for that video and get to know how to do it. You can set up the iPhone unlock or with the Face ID. So if you want to unlock your iPhone with the Face ID, you just want to click on this button right here and make sure that it is green. So from this time, if you lock your iPhone, and I'm going to look at it, as you can see now the iPhone is just unlocked. So if I'm going to turn this feature off, like this one, then lock the iPhone, even that I'm going to look at my iPhone, because now I'm looking at it, I need to get the passcode to unlock the iPhone. So again, how to get to the setting. So what you want to do, open settings, swipe down, go to the Face ID and passcode, type your passcode, and then just select iPhone unlock. So as you can see, it is working really fast. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.